Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your server on the Brawl Stars game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Brawl Stars game on your device, and when you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu, from which, if you wish to change your country or region, you can tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. From this option, tap on Settings, which will take you into the settings page. Within this page, you will see your location option at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on your current location and you will see all of the list of available locations. You can simply scroll down and choose whichever location you would like to change into. After choosing your location, the server will be changed and your application will restart in order to switch to that server. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your server within the Brawl Stars game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.